Bacteria are very small living things made up of only one cell. Some kinds of bacteria can make their own food. Most bacteria live in the air, in water, or in the top layers of soil, but there are millions of bacteria that live on your skin and inside your mouth, nose, and lungs. Most bacteria are surrounded by a thick cell membrane. They occur in various shapes such as round, elongated, or spiral. Some bacteria are useful. They help to make vitamins, cheese, and yogurt. Some bacteria are harmful. They cause diseases such as tuberculosis, tetanus, typhoid fever, and cholera. Thanks for listening and watching. Allah Hafiz.